Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. Today I'll show you how you can mirror your mobile screen on your PC. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, you have to download a software called Visor. So let's download this software. To download this software, you can simply click on the link given in the description, or directly you can enter visor.io in your browser. After this, click on download and you can choose your platform. For now, I'm going to choose Windows. After this, download will be started automatically. Now I'm going to cancel this download as I have already downloaded this software. So let me cancel. After downloading this software, you have to install it, and now I'm going to show you how this software works after the installation. So let me open this. After the successful installation, you can see the Visor shortcut in your desktop. Click there and then you can see an interface like this. And to mirror your screen, you have to enable Android USB debugging in your mobile and connect it with a USB cable. So let me connect my device and I will show you how you can enable USB debugging in your mobile. After connecting my device with cable, then it automatically detects it as my device is QWERTY G3. I can access this device or mirror this device by using this play button. It will automatically download the Visor APK in your mobile. So make sure that you have enabled USB debugging. If you haven't enabled USB debugging yet, then go to System and click on Developer Options and make sure that it is turned on, and scroll down and click on this button showing USB debugging enabled. As you can see here, once the USB debugging is enabled, it have automatically downloaded the APK and the screen is mirrored, as well as you can access your Android device from PC. Like you can see here, I press back button here and the change is reflected in the real device. So guys, all this video, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.